Okay. That's the lawnmower. All right, girls, come this way.
Is this our yard?
Yep. Go ahead, run up there.
Look! No, Murphy, don't fight.
Okay, you guys, do you see the pink? Ow, stop it. No, we have a better spot, I'll show you. So this is the property line. See the pink? Look. See that? That's the property line, guys. So don't go over the property line. There it is. Do you see the both of them?
Go to the kid house.
Hold on, we're going. Yep. But everybody,
This house.
that is,
Murphy's house?
nope, that's the water tank. Yeah, they love it. Where they're going over here? Huh? All right, we'll have to fix it. No, don't you dare. Here, we'll show you where we think we can make a tree fort. Over here, where your dad just went.
Where?
Look, go up here. Murphy, you're so happy. Look at, they used to have horses here, because see the bathtub?
Yeah, I already saw that.
Okay, but... Okay, we're thinking those trees. We could put a tree house in between those.
Whoa.
And a hammock between those other two.
That tree over there is bigger and better.
Well, we'll talk about it, but...
Fat and juicy.
All right. Okay. Okay, everybody. We're going to show you the backyard and everything later, but we're going to come up here and take our shoes off. And...
Look inside.
Look at... Yep. We're gonna take our shoes off, everybody. No, just set it down. Down. Hold on, don't go in without me. Look at Kelly. This is where we can have our fire pit tonight. Wait, Kelly, wait. Hold on. Wait. I don't know if I have to let you in. I think we might have locked it.
We don't need a towel. We have to.
Oh. Okay, this is our living room.
Whoa. Wow.
Look at, hold on. Come here, Kelly.
That's wood?
That's where we don't have a wood, we have a gas, so we can use it for something else. Like maybe you can put your toys away in there.
Can I go in there?
Well, I don't know. Okay. Okay, well we'll put Smokey. Look at, this is my pantry for the food. Pantry for the food. And look, look at, here's our pencil sharpener. And okay, girls, this is Kelly's room. Hold on, we'll show you in a minute. Hold on, let's show you the rooms. Wait, let me open.
Go downstairs in a minute.
Yeah.
This is
Kelly's room.
What? How come it's not upstairs?
This is upstairs.
Oh,
Look at Kelly, there's your closet. Oops.
I like your handles.
Oh. Okay. Yep, you guys, this is your girls' bathroom. You each pick one. Yep, this is our room. Kelly wants the one on the left. This whole room is the closet.
What's this?
This is our bedroom, and this is our bathroom. Look, we don't even have a door on our bathroom. And we have our own sinks too.
McKenna found your bedroom.
What's that, hun? Oh.
Look at this, Heather. Look at this.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I love that. Oh yeah, in the picture it looked like they were like way up there.
Uh-huh.
But no, they weren't getting.
We have to fix your closet. We have to find doors and stuff.
No one can see me.
Uh-oh.
Actually, yeah.
Oh no, my